Hello, welcome to the Taste of Home Kitchen. My name's Josh. I'm about to have lots of fun demonstrating how to make some royal icing. Now, royal icing is a great choice when you want to decorate cookies. It's so versatile, there's many ways you can use it, and it looks great on the cookie. Now, there are two basic ways to go about making royal icing. First is just to use egg whites from your fridge, mix that with a little bit of cream of tartar and powdered sugar, and bam, there you go, royal icing. Now, but here at Taste of Home, we make a lot of royal icing. I decorate a lot of cookies. So we actually use this meringue powder. This is by Wilton. It makes it so much easier and quicker when you're making a lot of royal icing and decorating a lot of cookies, and that's what I'm going to use today. So first, I add water to my mixer, and then add my meringue powder. Give that a good whisk until it gets nice and frothy. Then I add in my cream of tartar powder, whisk that in. Next, I slowly incorporate powdered sugar until I have a nice, thick, stiff icing. So now that I have my royal icing all whisked together and you can see those nice stiff peaks, I'm going to divide this icing in half, and I'm going to thin out one part, and that's called flood consistency, and I'm going to leave the other half thick, and I'm going to show you why in a little bit. So as I said, I'm going to thin this out by adding just a little bit of water at a time so that I can get a nice thin icing. And what that does is when you're frosting the cookie, it'll give you a nice flat, smooth surface. All right, so I'm going to show you the proper consistency for this flood icing. You see that when I run my spatula through it, it runs back onto itself and forms a nice smooth surface, and that's how you know you've got the right consistency.